Tracy Lynn. I feel like everything in my life has led me here to this moment. My choices, my heartbreaks, my regrets. Everything I've ever done and learned. When we are together, I know the past has all been worth it. Love isn't perfect. It's not a fairy tale or a storybook. It doesn't always come easy. And we say life has its chapters. I am ready to write my final chapter with you, Tracy Lynn. I promise to respect you, adore you, and treat you as an equal, knowing that we don't complete each other, but we complement each other. You are truly my best friend. And may we enjoy the little things and grow old together and all that brought us here to this day. And may we enjoy it all, and as we say, till dirt.
P.S. You and I have both traveled broken roads in our lives. It hasn't always been easy. But standing here today, I can tell you every step on those roads was worth it, because it led me right to you. I never knew I could be so happy or so fulfilled. Thank you for loving me like you do, and for loving my kids too. As I stand before God and these witnesses, I promise to walk through life with you, holding your hand. I promise to love you till dirt. Today is someday, P.S.
By the power vested onto me by the state of California, it gives me such great honor and pleasure to pronounce you as husband and wife. You may now kiss your bride. Woo-hoo! I now present to you Mr. and Mrs. Paul and Tracy Sprates. Yeah!